So here we have an outlet expander and surge protector with USB and smart charging cable capability, especially if you got an iPhone cable. These will work. So what do you have here? You have a 3-prong plug-in. You plug into an outlet. You have this screw here that secures it, because once you plug something in, you pull it out, you don't want the outlet coming out. So this will stay put when you put it into your outlet. And let's count the outlets. So you got 2 on this side, regular with no 3-prong, 2 on this side, and you got 4 3-prong outlet. So this expands your outlet tremendously, and it's pretty much all you need. And it also has the surge protection in it, so no need for a big clunky bar. Everything you need is right here, and this is a great product. Very nice and white, and it's going to be held to the wall with this screw, which sometimes they don't come with. And there you go, smart surge protection, expandable wall outlet.